Welcome to a brief walkthrough of the Home Depot org chart and sales intelligence report, where we will show you how we will eliminate costly research time from your sales process. Some of the sections of the Home Depot report. First, the business overview, including the annual report and financial analysis. Second, actionable sales trigger events. Third, corporate strategies and business initiatives. And fourth, the org charts highlighting leadership in human resources, finance, technology, marketing, and supply chain operations. In the financial insights section, we give you the most valuable and insightful excerpts from their annual report, Investor Day presentation, proxy statement, quarterly earnings presentation, and their ESG report. The Databond research team have compiled dozens of hand-curated articles, blogs, executive interviews, case studies, success stories, and press releases. Every time we update the Home Depot report, this research effort represents 20+ hours of research time. Time you don't have to waste Googling for the same content. The Home Depot report has detailed org charts on the corporate organizational structure, the senior executive leadership, the board of directors, financial operations, technology operations, human resources, supply chain, and marketing. When you purchase the Home Depot report, you will have immediate access to hundreds of accurate Home Depot executive decision makers and influencer contacts in a sortable Excel spreadsheet. What can you expect from the Home Depot report? 1. You can start selling and marketing immediately, no wasted time researching on your own. 2. Reach out to the right Home Depot executives at the right time with the right message. And 3. Uncover new sales opportunities, ones you probably don't know about. Thanks for watching. If you're not completely satisfied with the Home Depot org chart and sales intelligence report, ask us for a full refund. We guarantee you will be impressed with it. Cheers.